Hello guitar class, this is the second line of Danny Boy tutorial. I am going to be playing the first two lines together first, so you hear how it sounds together. Okay, so there it is. I'm still learning it too, and so I'm just a little slow and hesitant, but I've got the general idea, and if you could play it like that, I could give you a really good score. So, here's the second line now. Now, the measure 6 of second line is exactly like measure 2 up here. Okay, this will go up for me. Maybe not. Okay, well anyway, just be aware that it starts with this same A7 chord. I'm going to show you here. Okay, again, A7. That's on string 4 and string 2, second fret, second finger there. Okay, now and then you're going to be plucking those same 3 strings, string 5, string 4, and string 2, like this. Okay, and from measure 5, the end of line 1, it starts like the beginning again. It has those 3 notes again. G sharp, A, B. There's that chord, and then it keeps going just like it would in measure 2 at the beginning. 3 open strings, A, F sharp. Okay, and that's how that goes. There's the chord, B, C sharp, F sharp, E, C sharp. There's the 3 open strings, A, F sharp. Now measure 7 is just almost exactly as measure 3, except that it has one additional note, this B down here. Okay, if you can see this B, I'm going to show you how to finger that B if you don't already know. It's right there on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Okay, so again, you're doing those 3 open strings, the 5, 4, and 2. Those 3, and then you play the A right after that. Go to F sharp, then to B. Jump to G sharp again, from like you do at the beginning. G sharp, A, B. Here's that chord again, pretty easy. Okay, so now I just showed you how to play the B in the context. There's that G sharp, A, B. There's that same chord from the very beginning of the line. Okay, same chord. Now here it changes slightly, obviously. Once you play that chord again, you play this D, which is 3rd finger on the 2nd string, and come back down, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, and then you have an A and open A string. Okay, I'll show you how to play those open A and the A on the G string. This A, it's okay. This is the 3rd string, technically, from the bottom. 2nd finger, that's an A, but you also play this open A, which is the 5th string, but no fingers down, obviously. play those together. Okay, and then right there you have kind of an interesting thing that happens. Right here, that's what I just showed you, both A's. And then the bass part has an A, E, A. Okay, before you go on to play anything else, I'm going to show you how to play that A to E to A. You have this low A, and again, both A's together. Then an E, which is the 4th string E, 2nd fret, back to open A. So all that together should sound like this. Okay, and then that's where we're at, almost to the end of the line now. Here it goes. We have an E, F sharp, G sharp, high notes now, and then you're going to move your first finger down to here for, okay, open E, E, F sharp, G sharp, 3rd finger but 4th fret, and then A. But as you play that high A, again, bop, 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 there's that high A. We actually have to play 2 other strings at the same time. Okay, and that's, you're going to just finger that C sharp on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, while you play that high A. So you have this 4th finger on the 5th fret and the 1st finger on the 2nd fret, okay, but the 4th finger is on the 1st bottom string, okay, and then this 1st finger is on actually the 2nd string on that 2nd fret, okay, and you strum those 2 bottom strings as well as the low A. I don't know if you can see that very well. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, leading up to it, we have coming back down to G sharp, that high G sharp, which is 4th fret, but I use 3rd finger. And then you do that once, and then when you go to the 2nd G sharp, because there are 2 G sharps right there, the 2nd one, you play this open D string with it. So again, it's going to sound G sharp and then both. Come back down to F sharp, E, C sharp, and then we're on to the 3rd line, measure 11. You have an open E, but you're going to put down this A chord again, still, except you're plucking different strings. Now you have this E and a low E and a low A, like that, and then that opens with oops, and that's the end of the 2nd line. I hope that was helpful and made sense. Again, it might be helpful for you to write in the note names and practice it from there. If you have any questions or need clarification, just email me or text me. Thanks.